Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Asana Admin Console. If you're managing a team or organization in Asana, the Admin Console is your central hub for controlling users, billing, insights, and settings all in one place. Let's walk through how to navigate it. First, you'll need to access the Admin Console itself. Look to the bottom left corner of your Asana screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, select Admin Console. This is the gateway to all your administrative tools, and it's where you'll spend most of your time managing your workspace. Once you're inside the admin console, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where all the main sections live. Start by clicking on Insights. This section gives you a clear view of your organization's activity and engagement, helping you understand how your team is using Asana and where improvements might be needed. Next, click on Members in the left sidebar. This is one of the most important areas because it's where you manage all your users. At the top of this section, you'll see a summary showing your total members, limited access members, and any pending invites. Below that, there's a search by name or email field, which makes it easy to find specific people quickly. As you scroll through your member list, you'll see detailed information for each person, including their name, email, account type such as member or billing owner, their last activity date, and who originally invited them to the workspace. If you need to add someone new to your organization, simply click the blue Invite Members button located at the top right of the Members section. This opens a prompt where you can send invitations directly, and if you need to adjust someone's role or manage their access level, click the three dots beside their name. This menu lets you change roles or modify permissions without hassle. Now let's move to billing. Click Billing in the left sidebar to manage your subscription plan and view all your payment information. This is where you can upgrade, downgrade, or review your billing history. After that, click on Settings in the left sidebar. This section allows you to update organization-wide preferences, ensuring your workspace operates exactly how you want it to. Finally, click Resources for access to support materials, helpful guides, or if you need to contact the Asana sales team directly. And that's how you navigate and use the Asana Admin Console. You now have full control over your organization's setup and user management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.